Hey YouTube, it's Antoinette J once again coming to you with another review. This is something a little different, but before I get into what this is, I want to tell y'all thank you so much for watching my videos. If you're an oldie but goodie, hey girl, hey. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You won't miss a beat with me. Usually I try to be to the point with all my reviews because I have kids and I have a 2-year-old. Right. So anyway, this review is a little different. I don't think I ever reviewed products like this on my YouTube. This is actually my first time. So let me get into the background of it. I'm a TikTok fanatic. Like I could stay on TikTok and watch videos for hours and hours, and that's not okay, but I do it. I'm noticing like my For You page, a lot of DHGate products are popping up, and I'm the type of person, like I don't really care for name brands. If I see something that's cute, I'll purchase it as long as it's like in my budget. Like I don't overdo it just to be in the crowd. But I noticed that this is really beauty on a budget stuff. So I was like, let Antoinette try this. So this review, obviously, if you didn't get it by now, is about a couple DHGate products that I have purchased. So let's get into it. Okay, so I did my little research on DHGate. It reminds me of similar things like AliExpress and Alibaba. The only thing is with DHGate, you have to be patient with your shipping process, okay? It's not, if you're lucky, but I wasn't too lucky, it takes a long time. So if you're impatient, just keep in mind with the shipping. Other than that, everything seemed very simple. If you're on social media and not been under a rock and you know, you hear other influencers state how to look for you know, luxurious products on DHGate, it's really, really simple. Okay, so let me show you what I purchased. Okay, so first thing I was looking for, I wasn't really sure because like I said, name brand stuff I don't really care for, but I do like the background of Chanel. So I was just like, okay, let me look at some Chanel products. So let me show you the first product that I purchased. It came in like this. And then when I open it up, cute box. Came in a Chanel box. The box is not beat up. It is a little dirty on the bottom, but I mean, I'm not gonna say it's dirty, it's black, maybe because of the shipping package, but yeah, it came like this. I freaking love the packaging. Okay, then when you open it, I already kind of semi-opened it, but obviously it came in wrapped. Then you get, I guess, certificate of authentication or whatever, like a card. Then a Chanel paper. Then you get this is sunglasses. I'm sorry, I didn't say that. This is Chanel sunglasses that I purchased that I thought was cute. So it came in like this in the Chanel case. It's a very pretty case. It's not beat up. It's very cute. You also get a glass sunglass cleaner. It does have, let me show you. It does have Chanel, if you see it right there. I hope you can see it. A little sunglass cleaner. I mean glass cleaner, so whatever you want to call it. So let's open this up. Open it up. Looks like that. Inside you see the Chanel, and I guess you can call this, I don't know what type of fabric this is. It's not really velvet. I guess you can call it the false, the fake velvet. I don't know. Oh wow, it clamped. So that's how hard it clamped. So these are the glasses. It comes like this. It's very protected. I'm gonna take that off. And it comes in like that. I think I'm gonna keep this part. And I like how they have one of them with the protection. So I'm actually gonna keep that as well. We're gonna take these off. So these are the freaking glasses that I purchased. Sorry, I don't want my ring light to get you guys, but this is the product. It has Chanel logo on the side. If you can see, there you go, Chanel on the side. Then it also has Chanel. Is it Chanel? Yes, it has Chanel up here. And around the rim of the glasses, this is why I wanted to purchase it, is because you can see Chanel. There we go. I'll do it like that. You can see the Chanel name around the rim of the sunglasses. So that's why I wanted them. I don't know if Chanel really have these on the website. I did try to check. From what I seen, I did not see these on the website. I did not see these on the website. But these are how they look. So very, very pretty. Very cute, very sleek. On the website, on the Gate, if you want to call it that, most of my videos, I'm going to say the Gate. They don't have the brand on their products, so you have to basically go with what you know and also look at the reviews, because most of them have pictures where it actually has the logo on the products, because you got to remember these are dupes. They're obviously a dupe is a duplicate of the real thing, so you just got to be mindful of that. And you can also ask the supplier, the merchant, to send you pictures of the product just to make sure you have the correct one. But these are cute. You can see the Chanel. I'm gonna put a picture up somewhere in here where you can see it, but these are really, really cute. I'm also gonna put a link, so if you do want to purchase these, you can. But these are adorbs. I love everything about these glasses. I even love, you know, the pattern on the side, everything. Like, it has the logo on each side. It has Chanel like inside of the glasses. The name Chanel is all over the glasses, honey. I love that. Like I said, DHGate sells dupes of luxurious products. So like Louis Vuitton, Fendi, I saw Cartier. It's a lot of stuff on there. I love it. And it's basically beauty on a budget. Like, can't go wrong with that. With the glasses, I think it took about maybe almost 3 weeks for me to receive this product. It took almost 3 weeks. Yeah, it was about 3 weeks. So that clamp is crazy. And it was not free shipping. I forgot how much it is, but like I said, I'll put the link just in case you want to purchase it. But yeah, it came like this. I love everything about it. No smell or anything. So we're gonna move on to the next product. Another Chanel product. It's actually a purse. It did not come with a box. I really wanted it to come with a box, but it did not. So I threw away the actual packaging, but it was just like the packaging with the Chanel sunglasses. So I just left it like this. It did come with a dust bag. It does have a smell. It has a smell. I don't really like the dust bag because it's flimsy, but it'll do what it needs to do right now. I do like that it has the Chanel logo on it, but it's really flimsy. Like I don't like that. So when you open that, you also get receipts. I don't know why they would give me a Chanel receipt. Like I'm gonna go to the Chanel store and return it, but I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, they give you a receipt, and this product is actually almost $9,000. That's freaking crazy if this is true. Yeah, it just has authentication, all of that good stuff. So that's what's in here, just receipts. All right, let's get into the bag. Look at that. So I already took this part off. It did have protection on it, but I took it off. This is the Chanel bag. I think I forgot the name of it, but I'll put it somewhere in here, and I'll also put the link for the gate if you want to purchase this. Yeah, so how you open it like this, twist it. Once you lift it up, I do see that it says Chanel Paris on it. You guys can't really see it, but take my word for it. It says Chanel Paris on that part. Take this off. Oop, it's stuck. Then the zipper part does have the Chanel logo. Let's test the zipper. Nice and smooth. Oh, this is so this part is not a real pocket. I wanted a real pocket. This is not a real pocket. It's just there for but I believe the real one, that's a real pocket. Like I think it goes down to the bottom of the bag. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but yeah. So then it's the flip. So this is it magnetic? No, you have to button it. So the flip over, you have to button it. It just has numbers and letters around here. It doesn't say Chanel or anything. It does have the logo here. I love the red, like the burgundy red. It does have the Chanel logo. Then it says Chanel made in France. Okay, when you open it, it looks like that. So let's take that out. And with this, I guess to keep the shape, so I'm gonna still utilize that. But let's see. So in here, you have two pockets. You have space. It's a lot of space. And yeah, that's about it. That's the color of it. That's the front. This does have a smell to it. That part. This is the back. I love the way this feels. It's not leather. I don't know what this fabric is called, but yeah. And okay, so I could already see something that I don't like. It's like these two little, even though you guys probably can't see it, but it's two little dents of like stapled fabric I don't like, but who's gonna be looking at that? Nobody but me. And then it has the little pocket in the back. Okay, so let's look at this part here. There we go. Jeez. I think that this part is magnetic. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. So this flap right here is magnetic. It is. It's magnetic. Cause you heard the clap is magnetic. Sorry about that. Just a disclaimer. Okay. So the handle part, the chain part it has weight to it, which I love. It has a little weight. The fabric in it, I don't know if it comes like this, but I don't like that part. Like, I want it all around, but I guess, you know, you have to secure it some way. So yeah. The circle things around it does not have Chanel or anything around it. I'm not sure if it does. You know, whatever, it doesn't matter. You shouldn't be that close to me. But yeah, you can wear it like this. I personally probably will not wear it like that. I'm gonna wear it like this. It's very cute. It did come a little dented on the sides, but that's okay because I actually like it like this. But yeah, I love it. It's a pretty bag. So this bag actually was fairly quick. This was only like 2 weeks. So yeah, this is really, really pretty. I didn't want to do gold because a lot of people got gold in this this style, so I was just like, let me get silver, and plus it matches my watch anyway, and most of my jewelry that I wear, if I do wear anything, is silver, so I was just like, this is perfect. So yeah, that's the bag, darling. You know how you feel about me doing reviews on these particular products. I think DHGate is a wonderful site. I don't think I ever purchased anything from there until now. I love that I can get luxurious products on a budget, you know, dupes and everything else. And yeah, if you want to purchase these items that I have, you know, reviewed on, click the link down below and go for it. I do like like I said, the merchants, the suppliers, they were very friendly. All the questions, because I was scared. Like, when you go on there, you can't put in like Chanel luxurious bag or a Chanel bag or anything. You just have to put luxurious bag if you're looking for that. Then a whole bunch of stuff pops up. Most of it does not have the logos on it. So, you know, just ask questions. Ask the merchant, hey, can I get a couple pictures of this particular item? 9 times out of 10, they will send it to you and also help you and all of that stuff. These merchants, I think these are 2 different merchants. They were very helpful. They sent me the pictures. They gave me the tracking information and all of that stuff. So, and they were cheap, like cheap. And you see, there's nothing wrong with either product. They were just little things. Like, the purse was just 2 little things that, you know, bothered me, but I'm sure it's not going to bother the next person. And the glasses, there was nothing wrong with them. But the only thing is, I don't think Chanel, the actual brand, sell those particular glasses. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I actually went on their website for that to see like how much they were, and I didn't see those glasses. I did see that purse, however. I did see that purse, and I've seen a lot of YouTubers review that purse, and it's about $9,000. So this receipt is not too far off. But yeah, that's all I have for you. I know I have some Chanel earrings coming in. I think I'll do a quick reel on those. Thank you for watching. I hope this was informational. I hope this helped you. If you want to do DHGate, I say go for it. I popped my cherry on that, and no complaints. It's just the waiting game. You have to wait. You have to be patient. That's about it. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to purchase this, don't forget to click the link down below. Bye.